Hey guys, another new day, another awesome find. Let's unbox the Insta360 Luna Ultra dual lens 8K gimbal camera. Without further ado, let's see what is in the box. Oh, unboxing, my favorite part. Wow, look at that. Woohoo! User menu. Okay, let's see. Okay, come with a wow, very nice premium quality casing. This carrier can hold everything nicely inside. Wow, look at that. Wow, so nice. Wow, look at that. So nice. Guys, you can detach this separate from the main body and you can use it to preview. Place your camera from a distance, okay, and control using this screen. See, you can control your camera, and it is also a mic, so you can pick up your voice even from a distance. So here are the items: the camera itself, the wide angle lens, magnetic, additional battery. It is also a tripod. Same thing, just attach it to the main body, unfold it. Now you have a tripod. Now you can grip your camera more comfortably with the battery as a extension. So cool. And then you have a very premium looking casing to put everything in place. Very nice carrier. And here is the camera protector cover, the Insta360 Mic Pro with the windshield and the clip. There's also a charging cable. So there you have it. This is the unboxing of the Insta360 Luna Ultra. Make sure to follow. I'll try to capture some footage on this camera. I'll see you in the next one.